Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update Windows on Lenovo LOQ 15. In order to update Windows, go to the settings, then go to Windows Update, and now click on Download and Install All. Sometimes you need to click on Check for Update first. If none are available, then you're good to go just without updating because you have everything up to date. But if you have the button to download and install, then I suggest downloading and installing all. Some of them will download and install pretty quickly. The other ones will take a bit longer, so it just depends. I think they have, okay, they are still updating. So some of them require a restart, but you can see I don't want to click on restart now because some other ones are still downloading. So I don't really want to restart now before everything downloads and installs, because if I do that now, then I'll need to restart a few times. So I just want to restart now, like once. Oh, of course, you can also do other stuff on your computer as the updates are being downloaded and installed, and you'll just be prompted after everything is downloaded and installed that you should save your data and restart your computer. So yes, I'll get back to you when it's all downloaded and installed. You can see that some of them didn't work. So what can we do with it? Just wait until other ones download and install, then restart and try checking for updates again after the restart. Sometimes, unfortunately, you need to install updates twice. And also, if any of the updates says pending install, then that means that you shouldn't restart yet. It'll install in a moment. So after everything says either completed, retry, or pending restart, then you can begin to restart your computer. Okay, so I think it'll take too long for me to wait with installing the update for .NET framework, and I can't be bothered, so I'll just click on restart now. Of course, I recommend for you to wait longer until actually everything installs, but I just want to save a bit time. Also, the restarting process may take a bit longer than usually because it'll also take time to apply the updates. And now the updates were just installed, so I'm just gonna quickly log in and check if there are any updates available. I'm not gonna install them now, but just to see. Okay, so these are only the updates that weren't installed, and let's try clicking on retry. Maybe it'll work this time. So you can just do it yourself because you already know how to work with the updates. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.